Here's the truth almost no one talks about. Every rock, every object, when it balances on another, it never really rests on one point. It always creates 3 points of contact, three anchors, three silent coordinates of stability. Anything less than three, and the balance becomes impossible. This is your job as a balancer, not to force the rock, but to search for those 3 points that nature is hiding from you. The moment the rock touches the surface, the first point reveals itself. If you move it a little, the second one appears. And when you finally uncover the third, the rock stops fighting you. It begins to cooperate. But it's not enough. When those 3 points fall into harmony, the rock stands. But all 3 points must align perfectly in the path of gravity. The fewer the points you use, the closer you get to just three, the more impossible, magical, and surreal the balance looks. This is the first technique, the foundation of everything that you're about to learn.